friends. So today topic is the term M language. So we're gonna discuss about term M language. So what is a term M language? M is a informal name of Power Query formula language. The formal name is so long that no one uses it. Everyone calls it M. M stands for data mashup. Some says stands for data modeling. M is a functional language and it is important to know functions. Function is a mapping from a set of input values to a single output value. A function is written by first naming the function parameters and then providing an expression to compute the results of the function. It can be useful to think of query evaluation in M.